the world is a dangerous place, especially underwater. If you're a fish, it seems like everything is out to eat you. And there's always a bigger fish around the corner. In this world, it's good to have friends. All alone, you're an easy meal. But in a large group, the odds change dramatically. Imagine trying to track a single grain of sand in a sandstorm. Because of the sheer number of other targets, it quickly overwhelms your visual system, making it hard to isolate and track a single individual. The larger the group, the smaller the statistical chance of any single fish becoming a meal. It's a numbers game where the odds are overwhelmingly in favor of the schooled fish. And some of these schools can become massive. These schools of thousands of tiny fish can create huge dark patches on the surface of the ocean. Of course, this doesn't go unnoticed. Sea lions are some of the most agile creatures in the ocean. But even this guy struggles to catch what should be an easy meal. While it might look like the group as a whole moves together in coordination, in reality, every individual is only reacting to its immediate neighbors. When one fish changes direction or speed, the fish around it instinctively mimic that change. This rapid imitation propagates through the school like a wave. And the result is one hungry and frustrated sea lion. Of course, sea lions aren't the only ones interested in a free lunch. Roving pelicans are constantly on the lookout, and this bait ball does not go unnoticed for long. Once the shoal of fish is spotted, this pelican dives in from high above the water. His large throat pouch expands upon impact, acting like a net to scoop up water and fish. Even this cormorant is getting in on the action. They can dive as deep as 100 feet and are remarkably good swimmers. For these fish, working together is the best way to guarantee their survival. It's a constant evolutionary arms race, where the survival of the small depends on their ability to move as one, outsmarting even the most skilled hunters of the sea. It's a testament to the power of collective behavior in the natural world, and a lesson many people should probably learn.